Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a full page screenshot on HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, then make sure that you're on top of the page. You can actually open any app or any web page to take that screenshot. I chose the settings for that. Now click on the volume down key and power key at the same time. This will make a screenshot, and we can swipe down this pop-up to take a scrollable screenshot. It will begin scrolling down the entire page, and when it's done, you'll see full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.